special day open house in AUMUND. We are welcoming guests from every part of the world to show them our two patents registered in 24 and 25 for the push chain bucket elevator and the electrical linear calcination. I'm really excited to go ahead with this special day, and I'm really look forward to talk to our clients and talk to them and welcome them here.
We are presenting our latest and top innovation, the AUMUND electrified calcination conveyor. This eLCC is really a long story. It started almost 5 years ago with one of our customers from the Holcim Group, where we had this, during a brainstorming, this idea. And today we have a product we can present to you. I'm glad to show you our eLCC.